Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Halo series. To begin your journey, start with the campaign mode to immerse yourself in the epic story and lore. Focus on mastering the fundamental controls, such as precise aiming, effective shooting, and powerful melee attacks. Familiarize yourself with the diverse arsenal of weapons, understanding each one's strengths and ideal combat situations. This foundation will prepare you for the challenges ahead. Once you've got the basics down, focus on advanced combat techniques. Always use cover to protect yourself from enemy attacks, peeking out only to fire. Practice your grenade throws. They are excellent for clearing rooms or forcing enemies out of position. Don't forget about vehicles. They offer significant firepower and mobility, turning the tide of many battles. Mastering these will elevate your gameplay. Halo's multiplayer is where the action truly shines. Effective team communication is crucial for coordinating pushes and defending objectives. Learn the specific goals of each game mode, whether it's capturing a flag or holding key points. Be flexible with your loadouts and playstyle. Adapting to the map and your opponent's strategies will give you a significant edge. Teamwork makes the dream work in Halo. To truly excel, delve into advanced tactics. Spend time learning every map's layout, including common enemy routes and where powerful weapons respawn. Always aim for headshots. They are critical for quickly taking down opponents, especially in competitive play. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll become a Spartan legend.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.